Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're doing the Higher Maths GCSE non-calculated paper. This is question 11. We have two triangles, PQR and RST. PRT is a straight line. PRT is a straight line. Got parallel lines there and there and there and there. Got to calculate the length of ST. There's S and there's T. So we have 6, 12, and 9. So these will be similar triangles because of the number of parallel lines and that shared line there. So if I have 6 going to 9, I'm multiplying by 1.5. I can do that as 9 divided by 6. So that is the scale factor that I need to use to multiply 12 to get ST. So 12 goes to some number. I'm going to do 12 times 1.5. Well, 12 plus half of 12 is 18. So for 2 marks, that length there is 18. Now they also tell us that PT, the full length there, is 35 centimeters. And we have to calculate this length here. Now there's several different ways you can do this. If I just sketch that line, PT there, and it's 35 in total. I know that this part here, multiplied by 1.5 would get me this part here. It might be easier to use whole numbers. So I'm say 2, just in terms of ratio, 3. So I'm talking about the number of parts here. This part here is worth 2. This part here is worth 3, because that's 1.5 times bigger than that. So I'm going to take that 35, use my ratios here, divide 35 by 5, and I get 7. 2 times 7 is 14. So it's 14, and that part's 21. Together, they make 35. They've only asked us for that side. Okay, there are other ways to do that, but that's the way that I like breaking that up into a ratio question and doing sharing an amount in a given ratio. Okay, let's move to question 12, which is about an enlargement. And it's actually a negative fractional enlargement. So they're really trying to challenge us here. Center of enlargement is 0, 2. And they're going to enlarge this shape by negative 1.5 or negative a half. So our center of enlargement is here, 0, 2. Now, for every shift to the right, I want half of that, but in that direction. So actually, that's 2 away. So there's only going to be 1 away here. It's 1 up, so it's only going to be half up. So each of these distances, I'm going to half and flip around. So that point there moves to that point there. This point here is 4 away and 1 up. So I'm now going to make it 2 away and half down. So that moves to there. This point up here is 2 away and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be 1 away and 2.5 down. So 1, 2.5 down. And then there we get our new triangle. Because it's negative, it's facing the other way. It's gone through this center and it's negative a half, so it's shrunk. So that length there is 2, 4, so this should only be 2 in total. That length there is 2, so it's only 1, and similarly that there. All the lengths should be half the size and going back through the center of enlargement. Okay, so we've got those new points there of negative 1 and 1.5, negative 2 and 1.5, and negative 1 and negative 0.5. Okay, so that should get us 2 marks. So that's 2 questions, 1 on similar triangles, 1 on enlargement. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Good luck for your exams.